Tired of messy finances and endless spreadsheets? Let's dive into a quick tour of Peachtree, now known as Sage 50, and unlock its power to streamline your business finances. First, you'll see the main navigation screen. Think of it as your financial command center. The general ledger is the heart of your accounting system. Here, you can manage your chart of accounts, a comprehensive list of all your business's financial accounts. This section allows you to record and organize every transaction from income to expenses. Next up, accounts payable. This is where you manage what your business owes to vendors. You can enter invoices, schedule payments, and track your outstanding bills, ensuring you never miss a deadline. Now, let's move to accounts receivable. This module focuses on what your customers owe you. Here, you can create invoices, track payments, and manage customer balances, helping you stay on top of your incoming revenue. Peachtree makes reporting easy. Generate balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements with just a few clicks. These reports provide valuable insights into your business's financial performance, empowering you to make informed decisions. And that's a quick overview. Peachtree offers much more, from payroll to inventory management. Explore its features and take control of your business finances today.